What's that? Hello everyone, welcome to the break. We're just getting the final last few touches done here and we'll get started. So maybe about a minute or two and we'll get going. Thank you for joining. All right. Make sure everything's working properly. Sorry for the delay, everyone. All right. Welcome everyone to the break tonight. This is the first of 3 breaks we're going to be doing. I'm super excited about it. This is the most that we've done in a night so far. And we got some good ones. So for the most part, we'll get started. We did Panini Illusions a couple weeks ago, and it was really fun. There's a lot of cool cards that come out of it. I really like the inserts for this one. There's 10 inserts. There's some acetate and some micro etch. The micro etch are cool, but I really like the acetates. My favorite's Funkadelic. They also have another one I think is Mystique. That's pretty neat. We got a Malik Willis of it last break and it was serial numbered, which was pretty cool. So the set, yep, is 100 base with 42 impressioned autographed memorabilia, numbered to 299. 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, 3 autographs, 2 memorabilia. Once again, 2022 Panini Illusions. Before we get started here, I did want to mention a few things. First off, is we are making a newsletter for our breaks, and there is a link in the chat here and in the description to enter that newsletter. And I think it's a really cool opportunity for people that enjoy breaks to kind of get a head start or exclusive access to our breaks before they go on eBay or on any of our other sites that we sell spots on to the breaks on. So we'll be releasing that newsletter likely bi-weekly, with the first one coming out within the next week. And basically, we are going to be putting in breaks that are upcoming into that newsletter and allowing people to buy them or reserve those spots before they even hit up eBay. So pretty cool opportunity to get in on breaks and get them at a discounted price as well. So if you're interested in that, check out the link in the description or in the chat right here. And just all it asks for is your email, your name, and if you want to, what type of sport you prefer trading cards with. So should be pretty cool. All right. Well, without further ado, we will go ahead and get started here. So like I said, there were 5 packs, 10 packs total, 5 cards per pack. Yeah, first one. Start off with the insert right here. Pretty cool one. It's Operation Detonation here. Who is this? Debo? Is it Debo? Whoop. Kind of snuck a auto in it there for us. Debo Samuel with the 49ers. Debo Samuel with the 49ers. Insert Operation Detonation. Really cool looking card. That's the micro etch right there. Next, Saquon Barkley with the Giants. Saquon Barkley with the Giants. Next, Aaron Rodgers with the Packers. Aaron Rodgers with the Packers. Not for long, though. People are saying Jets, but I have a feeling he's going to the Titans. Could be wrong. I said that last time, too. I just read something that he was, like, in some hobbit house, you know, doing a silence retreat. So, whatever that tells him is where he's going to go. So, Aaron Rodgers with the Packers. Oh, here we go. Tom Brady with the Bucks. Tom Brady with the Bucks. This is always... Tom Brady in his last year is a good card to have. Yep, Tom Brady here with the Buccaneers. And here's our auto. Harry Carson with the Giants is an auto and a memorabilia. Harry Carson with the Giants, number 29 to 49. Harry Carson. Interesting. I don't even know who this guy is, to be honest. Congrats to the Giants. Giants here. Michael. Congrats, Michael, to the Giants. Hold on real quick. Get a message on eBay. Sure. Okay. Huh. Sorry, Kelly, if you can hear me. I am sorry it's not letting you in the chat. That's strange. But either way, happy birthday. I hope you get some good hits here. All right, we're going to keep moving on to the next pack. You saw an acetate in there. All right, Lamar Jackson with the Ravens. Justin Jefferson with the Vikings. David Montgomery with the Bears. Oh, here we go. Numbered. Kyler Murray with the Cardinals. 25 out of 50. It's interesting they hired the Eagles defensive coordinator after that. But yeah, Kyler Murray. And, you know, I don't recall this parallel. It's interesting. Huh. It's nice, though. A good looking card. Kind of a color match as well. And we got Velus Jones Jr. with the Bears. Mystique. Acetate. Rookie card as well. Velus Jones Jr. with the Bears. Nice looking cards. Numbered as well to 299. 189 out of 299. Also want to give a quick shout out to my wife, who is kindly helping me today. Helping organize cards. Get everything shipped out to you guys. All right, on to the next pack. Oh, all right, here it is. We start off with Derrick Henry with the Titans. Derrick Henry with the Titans, and Kyler Murray with the Cardinals again. It's Kyler Murray box. CeeDee Lamb with the Cowboys. CeeDee Lamb with the Cowboys. And then Najee Harris, numbered to 209 out of 499. Najee Harris with the Steelers. Najee. And then we have another insert here. Hey, here we go. King of Cards, Patrick Mahomes. King of Cards insert. That's pretty cool. And it's numbered. Nice. That is a great card. Let's leave that right now. Nice. Congrats to the Chiefs. Who got the Chiefs here? Nicholas Yeski. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but Nicholas, congrats. Pat Mahomes, the Chiefs, number 399. That's probably worth something. It's a cool looking card too, color match border. All right. Yeah, not an auto memorabilia, but anything numbered, Pat Mahomes. Give me worth something, especially now after his second Super Bowl. What a great performance that was. He's incredible. He's incredible. Okay. All right. Daniel Jones with the Giants. Malik Willis, rookie card with the Titans. Malik Willis. Jameis Winston with the Saints. Jameis. Right? And then we got here. Take that out of view real quick. Oh, very cool. Okay. All right. So we got our second auto here. So we'll start off with Derrick Henry with the Titans. Derrick Henry, and this is the Shining Stars. Shining Stars. And we have our auto behind it. It's a nice one. Treylon Burks. 72 out of 99 rookie endorsements. Treylon Burks. Good looking auto. I like Treylon Burks. I think he's going to be really, really good. Anytime he played this year, he looked good on the field. He just was injured, but he seemed like he was injured from the beginning of the season. Congrats to the Titans. We have Jerry Hill has the Titans. Congrats to him. 72 out of 99. You get yourself an auto rookie endorsements. Treylon Burks. Cool. All right. DeAndre Swift with the Lions. Trey Lance with the 49ers. Trey Lance. It would be interesting to see if he's starting next year. I got a feeling he will be starting next year, but even with all this Brock Purdy hype, but we'll see. Brock Purdy looked really good as well. But yeah, Trey Lance with the 49ers. Ryan Tannehill with the Titans. I don't know where he's gonna be starting next year. Jalen Hurts. Nice looking Jalen Hurts. It's parallel. 41 out of 175. Nice. That's a good card right now as well. Jalen Hurts to the Eagles. Can't find it. Yeah, Jonathan. Thanks. Jonathan. Congrats, Jonathan. And then we have Terry Bradshaw. Funkadelic. It's my favorite acetate here. Insert. Terry Bradshaw, Funkadelic for the Steelers. That's pretty cool as well. Cool. A couple of these up. Yeah, Jalen Hurts would be worth something right now. He looked incredible. Everyone thought, I thought they would try to get ahead and run the ball, but no. I mean, Jalen Hurts showed he could throw the ball during that Super Bowl, even though they lost. I think he proved a lot. All right, we've got 5 packs to go. Oh, nice. Christian Watson, rookie card to the Packers. Devontae Smith to the Eagles. Justin Fields to the Bears. Justin Fields to the Bears. Is this Ezekiel Elliott? Nice. 223 to 299. Ezekiel Elliott. Look at that. That looks real nice. To the Cowboys. And then we have Kyle Hamilton. Rookie card. Mystique. Acetate insert. Kyle Hamilton. Nice. All right. Cool. So we'll start with Nick Chubb to the Browns. Nick Chubb to the Browns. Matthew Stafford to the Rams. Matthew Stafford to the Rams. We get Austin Eckler to the Chargers. Austin Eckler to the Chargers. And here we have a memorabilia card. Dameon Pierce to the Texans. And that's a nice tricolor as well. Dameon Pierce, Texans. Nice memorabilia card. see. Yep, numbered it all. They should not be any gamer event. Yep, they're not from any gamer event. And then we have Kenneth Walker, Operation Detonation, rookie card. Kenneth Walker. He looked really good this year. Fit. Some of these don't fit in the regular sleeves. They have to go in the bigger sleeves. Yeah, that's right. I'll make sure you guys get your right size sleeves. All right, we got 3 packs to go. Good luck, everyone. All right, we're gonna start off with nice looking Shining Stars, Garrett Wilson. Garrett Wilson to the Jets. Nice rookie card. Garrett Wilson. Oh, we have an auto back there. All right, let's start from the back. Keep Garrett Wilson here. Actually, we'll start. Yeah, we'll do that. Duh. Okay. Deontay Johnson to the Steelers. Deontay Johnson to the Steelers. Kyle Pitts to the Falcons. Kyle Pitts to the Falcons. Rookie card, Alex Pierce to the Colts. Alex Pierce to the Colts. And might have snuck a peek there. Start off with Garrett Wilson, and it looks like the Jets going to be very happy here because right after that comes Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Rookie card, auto, numbered 38/99. Nice. He looked like one of the best corners in the league this year as a rookie. Nice hit by the Jets. Jim. Congrats, Jim, on the Jets. It's a nice hit. You got yourself a great wide receiver and fantastic corner. All right. 2 to go. DK Metcalf to the Seahawks. And Kenneth Walker, rookie card to the Seahawks. T. Higgins to the Bengals. T. Higgins to the Bengals. Jamar Chase to the Bengals. Whoever packed this pack didn't have a lot of imagination. Then we got our acetate. Eric Uzukanma to the Dolphins. Rookie card and Mystique. I have no idea who this guy is. It's numbered though. 133 to 399. The Dolphins. Eric Uzukanma. Nice. Oh. Go back real quick too. Apologize, but I'll mention as well. I missed this. Jamar Chase is numbered as well. 162 to 499. So congrats. That's a nice card. Jamar Chase numbered. So congrats to the Bengals as well. All right. All right, last card. So before I open this last card, I will once again mention, highly recommend if you enjoy card breaks and you want to get advanced look and exclusive access to card breaks, go ahead and sign up for that newsletter in my link. Another thing, I'm not a big in like asking for likes or subscribes or anything, but once I do hit a certain amount of subscribers, I'm able to film a lot more videos in HD with my phone and stuff for whatever reason. So if you could subscribe, that helps me produce better quality videos for you guys and continue to keep doing this. So if you don't mind, please do. Finally, we have 2 more breaks tonight. We have the 2022 Select, NBA Select, that we're going to do next at 9 o'clock. The listing's still open if you're interested. And then we also have, actually, I don't have it with me. We also have the 2022 Donruss Football break as well. And there's 2 hobby boxes involved in that. So we're opening 2 in 1 break. There's a few spots left for that. And that's at 10 o'clock Central Time. So basketball at 9 o'clock and football at 10 o'clock. All still listed on my eBay. I'll probably take the basketball one off in the next in about 20 minutes or so. So I'll stop gabbing and I will open up this last pack. Good luck, everyone. All right. Nice. We're going to start off with an amazing insert. Backwards? Yeah. We're not going to start off with that. We'll start with the base. Start with Amon-Ra St. Brown with the Lions. Amon-Ra St. Brown with the Lions. Next, we have George Kittle with the 49ers. George Kittle with the 49ers. We have Joe Mixon with the Bengals. Bengals got the whole offense. And then we're going to go back here. Back to our, once again, Jameson Williams with the Lions. Amazing insert. Then here is our last memorabilia card. DeAndre Swift with the Lions. Highlight swatches. DeAndre Swift. And this might be, yeah, and it's player worn. Player worn and used. So, not just a napkin. Congrats. Congrats, Isaac, to the Lions. Get yourself an actual player used jersey card. Congratulations. Well, that's it today for the 2022 Panini Illusions break. Thank you, everyone, for joining. I hope to get these cards shipped out the next day or two. Once again, if you're interested in the other breaks tonight, feel free to check out my eBay listing. And thank you again for your business. I look forward to do more breaks for you in the future. Thank you.